Hello friends, in this video today we are going to build or going to do is that a small JS practice. We're making a password checker function here, right? So when we make an input a password, our password should contain this kind of characters, capitals, lowercase, special characters or numbers, right? Okay. So first to just make ready a boilerplate of HTML. So I'm gonna make here just shift 1 and enter. A boilerplate is ready. So just surely link my CSS. I've already made my folder of CSS. So we have linked. Yes, and just quickly make a link a JavaScript. Yes. Now our file is in linked, right? So we need what we're gonna do is that we'll make a first wrapper where we need, right? So I will just making a class with name wrapper, right? Under that there will be a main container. So I'm just making a class with the name main. There we need an input box. So input box type will be the password. Yes. I we need an ID. ID name will be password. Yes. Then we need a placeholder as well. Placeholder. So we will be making a please enter your password. Please. And you should give uh, sorry your password. Yes. Right. So this is an input ready. Then we need a class. So making a class with checkers. Right. In this we need some span tags. So we need a span tag like 4. So span into 4. So all the span will be creating as quickly. Yes, we need some span tags, and then we have to add ID to each span tag. We making our uppercase. Yes, we need uppercase ID. We need ID lowercase. We need ID here. Numbers. Then the last ID will be like special character, right? Specials character. Oh, sorry. It's happen usually. Okay, and we need a class as well here, so we can define some class will be invalid. We need this in our old one. So just making up here and quickly copying all these syntax. Yes. So I will write here contain uppercase letter, right? Let me just contain lowercase letters, contain numbers, contain special characters. Yes, and then we need an icon as well. So we get here on the Google, type remix icon. Yes. Okay, actually we need this, but before this we need its CDN. So just we have to go there, right? That's why I open. And this is below here. Link is our CDN. You have to copy it and just paste below the CSS link and quickly save, right? So after that we need icon. So like click check. Yes. We will use this. Just click it, copy, and just before our text we will copy it here in every span tag. Yes, we need this. Clear, clear, just clear. Yes, let's save. So we have completed our HTML. Just move it to the CSS now. Right. We need first a universal selector. So we need your padding will be 0. This is the boilerplate of the CSS. Yes, I'm letting you know. Margin 0. Yes. Box sizing. Border box. Yes. And we will also add a font family. We need. I will be use Gilsense. Okay, fine. Then we will use HTML body with 100%, height 100%. Sorry. Okay, now we will make a wrapper class. We will give okay, so width will be 100% and height will be like 100 VH. We need this. Okay, 100 VH, right? And we also give here like display flex. Display flex, align items center, justify content center. Yes. Okay, fine, perfectly fine. And just give a background color like hashtag 44 or give a little darker. 3 will be fine, right? Yes. Okay, so now just make it sure like we have to open here with the live server. Our content is ready here. It's showing here like was okay, all the things are being here. So now what I do after that thing, we have added our main class, right? So this is a container of a input box, right? So we have to give values to this. So main okay, so width will be like 40 VH for now, 40 VW. I'm not giving, let's give also height. Height will be like 30 VH. Okay, we will give a border 1 pixel solid, hashtag fa. Okay, 4 3 and 4. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it's time to adjust, right? Now we are doing with the input box. Input, I'm selecting that. Input width will be 100% as to the parent. I'm giving padding like 5 pixel top and 8 pixel from the sides. Sorry, yes. I'm also giving a margin like 5 pixel from top and 2 pixel from sides. Okay, now right, and that's it. Let's give also a border. Border 1 pixel solid. This time I'll be giving like SX EEE. Okay. Forget about margin from this. I'll be giving this 0. Fine. Fine. Then we had to give it like checkers. Checkers or checkers? It's checker. Yes, checkers. Yes, yes. Now we have to give it a display flex because we need display flex direction column, margin, top width 20 pixels, and yes, and gap will be like 10 pixels. Yes, 10 pixels. Fine. Let's see how it's looking now. Okay, and what I do, I'm giving a span tag here. We are using span tag. Span tag, yes. Font size will be 1BW. Font weight 500. Padding will be 0 pixels and from side 5 pixels. Okay, now then the span tag with the eye for the icons, right? We will use font size same, font size 1 VW. Then font weight will be like 300. Let's see how. Okay, now good. We need some padding here as well. Not from the top, 0, 5 pixels. So 5 pixel, 5 pixel. Okay, I think I should remove this. We don't need this. Now will be fine. Yes, fine. So and one more thing we need that we have made a class invalid, right? So we have to give this color. Some we needed to give the color, right? So if dot class invalid color will be like we are giving it something called red, right? Okay, let's see, all the class are red. If the class is valid, right? So valid class will be color green, like fine. Save it. And I think I have completed this. Okay, fine. Is it looking nice? Now stand back to script part. First, we have to make a variable which is being connected, you know. So just define let password equals to document dot get element by ID password. The input box we have given the password ID, right? That's we are going to do here, right? After that, we'll be using this password. Add label listener to it. The event is input. So whenever input field is being clicked and something is being typed, so we have to run a function here, right? So the function will be if password have, okay, so password let password is equal to this dot value. Okay. Then we have to define some thing here, which is upper case pattern okay. Now A to Z, same with the lowercase pattern let number pattern zero to 9. Special characters that's it. It's fine here. Then after we have to call a function here. Okay, so now what we do here is make of date validation. Okay, now perfect. We need this. So we will use uppercase pattern, uppercase, the ID which we have used in the span tag, right? So and we will use here is uppercase pattern dot test password. That's it. right? This is the one. Then we have to do this similar here, update, validations. Now is for the lower case. Sorry, we have to use this here under this, and this will be not here, right? Yes, it's happened usually. It's happened with me. Now, where's with lowercase pattern? Yes, dot test password, right? Password. Yes, fine. Again with the git validation. Now for the number, what we have given here is just number, right? Number. Okay. For update validation. Space. Oh, sorry. Fine. Fine. We have this. Now we have to make a function here. Is that so? When a function is in there, so half is be done. We have done. Now we have to make a function with the name update validation, because this is the calling, and so we have to make this function, and we want something like we have to give the argument with element by id, and the other thing is valid, right? Then we have to run the function, open the brackets, and define something here. Let element equals to document dot get element by id, and the thing will be here, right? One thing has been defined. Then icon equals to element dot query selector I for I tag, icon tag, right? Now we have to give a condition here, is if is valid, or if is it valid, then element dot class list dot remove invalid, right? If element, then the second condition is will be class list dot add valid, right? Remove the invalid thing and add the id at the class valid, right? Then we have to add icon, right? So we have to add the icon dot class list dot add, right? So we are going to do is go to HTML, and we are using this thing, this whole thing right here. Yes, fine, right? Else That's right. Perfect. Then element dot class list dot remove valid. Then the other condition will be element dot class list dot add invalid. And then for the icon dot class, sorry, dot remove that thing. Icon dot class list dot add we need to give your is that uncheck blank circle. Fine. Copy this icon here for the this, and we have to add this here is remove. Now we'll be fine. Perfect. Okay. Sorry. Okay, misprinting here. You just have to give value. Okay, nice, fine. Yes, password. Let's say only the first value is making up. Why aren't the other values are making? Just because of silly mistake, you aren't getting up. Lowercase number, special character. Yes, fine. Let's see now. Fine. So our password is checking is perfectly fine. Good. I hope you understand the concept. If not, please make a watch again, and please support us so we can help you up with more practices like this only for JavaScript. Okay, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.